How does one develop that sense of consciousness? It is developed through the various forms of ibadah. That is the purpose of ibadah. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, describing salah, he said, aqimus salah li dhikri, establish the prayer for my remembrance, in order to remember me. Remember him for what purpose? To be aware of him, to be conscious of him. So this concept of dhikr, wala dhikrullahi akbar, that Allah speaks about, that the remembrance of Allah is greater. It is the greater goal of all of the various aspects of ibadah. And we said in Ramadan in particular, since that primary goal is taqwa, then it means that all aspects of ibadah done in Ramadan should be done with that goal in mind.